Alright, greetings everyone. It's your boy 𝐌𝐀𝐘𝐎𝐑'𝐃. Welcome back to this channel. In my last video, I believe I talked about so many things. If you have watched the last video or if you have not watched the last video, please go back and watch it. Thank you. So the list of things we covered in the last video is they are: what is the forex market, following why I trade forex, following debunking the facts and myths of forex trading, following major players in the forex market, and lastly, currency pairs. So we also have some of it to talk about in the list today: trading sessions, what is the best time to trade, and lastly, trading style. So I'm not gonna make this video too long because I just want to cover this, and due to time limitation, I just want to cover this very first outline. We have other outline to talk about, other things, a lot of it to talk about. So let's begin. So as you can see here, these are the outline of what we talk about in my previous video. So I talk about all this in except the trading sessions, what is the best time to trade, and the trading style, which I am going to cover in this particular video. So let's proceed further. Sorry. All right. We start with the trading session. Though we said that the forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. Nevertheless, there are times where both liquidity and volatility are higher, which makes for better opportunities to make money as the markets are busier then. This is as a result of different trading sessions. There are four major trading sessions in the forex market. So number one of the four types of major trading session in the forex market, number one is Sydney session. Since New Zealand is a major financial center, the forex markets opened there on Monday morning, while it is still Sunday in most of the world. It opens 10 p.m., closes 7 o'clock a.m. Note, this time here is given in Nigerian time, GMT +1. So once it is 10 p.m. here on Sunday, that's already Monday in New Zealand. So the market opened there 10 p.m. in New Zealand, opens here 10 p.m. Sunday, opens here 10 p.m. Monday accordingly. So most currency pairs traded include a Japanese yen, AUD as a Australian dollar, and New Zealand dollar itself. Liquidity can sometimes be very thin. There will be times where trading during this period will be like fishing. You might have to wait a long time before getting a nibble. This particular statement here is actually, maybe I think is actually because due to my experience, is actually referring to we the Africans, we the Nigerians trading this time the market opens. When you trade this time during this period when the market is just opening after the weekend, you find it difficult to catch good moves. But sometimes you get moved. Sometimes when you trade GBP JPY, sometimes when you trade CAD JPY, sometimes when you trade AUD JPY, all those crosses pairs like that. So you can make some good lot of money during this period. So the only pair that you cannot trade during this period, the only pair that cannot give you good massive profit or good massive move during this period is they are the major pairs, which I talk about. I make mentioning in the other video, in my previous video. The major pairs, the Euro USD, USD, GBP USD, those are the major pairs. You can't trade them during this session. Actually, not as if you execute, it will not accept or it will not take your order. It will, but the movement during this session will not be that good for you to look at or to watch. You might sometimes be having kind of feelings, oh, will this market go up, will this market take me out, all those kind of feelings. So we move on. Now, Tokyo session. This is also known as the Asian session, as Tokyo is the financial capital of Asia. Opens 1 o'clock a.m., closes 10 o'clock a.m. The main market participants during the Tokyo session are commercial companies, exporters, and central banks. Most currency pairs traded include the New Zealand USD, AUD USD, and Japanese yen pairs. Now, when you look at this, when you want to compare this session with the other session, you will notice that during this time it's already morning in our end. It's already morning in Africa. It's already morning in Nigeria, and the Tokyo session will come in. When the Tokyo session come in, they will have a little bit massive movement to any direction, either buying or selling. So during this time, you see, you can actually trade NZD USD, AUD USD, and JPY pairs, any JPY pairs at all. So we move on to the next one. Now, the London session, the most important session you need to trade. Just when Asian market participants are starting to close shop, their European counterparts are just beginning their day. Opens 8 a.m. in the morning, closes 4 p.m. in the evening. Because the London session crosses with the two other major trading sessions, a large chunk of forex transactions take place during this time. Most currency pairs traded include the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, also crosses pairs like GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and so on. Just it. Let's move on. The fourth one, New York session. Right as European traders are getting back from their lunch break, the US session begins at 8 a.m. Eastern Time as traders start rolling into the office. Now it opens 1 o'clock p.m., closes 10 o'clock p.m. Visually, any currency pair at all can be traded in this session. So you see that the number third session and the number fourth session are the most important session that anybody in this world will like to trade that time. Without any stress, without any heartbeat of will this trade go to my direction with the retracement, all those. Because during the Sydney and Tokyo session, likely they most likely create liquidities. The most likely create liquidity. So during the London session and the New York session, they most likely come to clear those liquidities with a massive move. So that's it. So if you maybe in a way open a trade during the Sydney session or the Tokyo session, and then you went out to your work, to your daily work, and then you don't have time to go through your phone to your trading app to check how the market is moving. Then when comes this London session and the New York session, believe me, if you were selling or you were buying, wherever the big boys want to push the market to, either the buy or the sell side, wherever they want to push to, wherever your stop loss was during your Tokyo session trading or your Sydney session trading, they will likely clear that your stop loss order then before going back to your direction. So that's what they call liquidity sweep. So we'll get to that as we continue further. Now that's the end for trading session. This is now another question. When is the best time to trade? We can see that in between each forex trading session, there are periods of time where two sessions are open at the same time. These periods are known as a market overlap. You understand? This other session will come and meet this other session without waiting for the previous session to close and go. They will overlap. They will come and meet themselves so that there would be a good market volatility during that period. Naturally, these are the busiest time during the trading day because there is more volume when two markets are open at the same time, just like as I just explained. And with more volatility, the higher the potential to profit from the market. So that's it. We move on. Trading style. We mentioned this as one of the advantages of trading forex. This is because you can trade according to your personality, knowledge, spare time, and risk appetite. Intraday trading. As an intraday trader, you hold trades for a short time, from minutes to hours, make money, trade a day, and usually enter and close your trade the same day. Time frames include H4, H1, M15, that's 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So intraday traders are mostly called day traders. We call them day traders. So there are people that they come to their chart, wake up in the morning, maybe by 8 during the London session, wake up in the morning, analyze their chart, get a setup, take a trade within 4 hours to 6 hours. They are done with the market. They will just move on for the day. They don't stay long in the market. They just move on for the day. So the second one is swing trading. Swing trading is similar to the intraday trading, only that it has a longer time tolerance between days to a few weeks. So these are traders that hold trade for 3, 4, 5 days. They are swing traders. 1 week, 2 weeks sometimes. They are swing traders. So you can see the difference between intraday and the swing. We move on. Position trading. Here, positions are held for a long time, from weeks to years. It's the opposite of intraday trading, as you are interested in long-term investment than in short-term price changes. So these are people that can not as if they will stay on their chart for the whole weeks or for the whole months. They can come to the chart, maybe sometimes analyze. Their analysis are based on monthly, weekly, daily. So when they execute trade, they hold their trade. Sometimes they hold their trade for like a month, and so these are the people who we call position trading, or position trader rather. So the last one is scalping. It is a very short term trading. Here, traders try to make many small profit during a trading day. Their trade lasts for a few minutes to an hour or two. These ones, they don't even, this type of traders, they don't even stay up to 4 hours on chart. They don't even stay up to 4 hours on chart. And time frame include, the time frame they use in trading include 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. They don't care about the higher time frame, the daily, the weekly. They don't even care about the 4 hour time frame. As long as they know the market trend, the market order flow, they go with it. So they don't even waste their time on chart. They don't even spend more than an hour on chart. They make their little profit and then move. So that's it. Now, here is a personal assessment. That's it for this class. I'm going to stop here due to time limitation. Here is a personal assessment. I am not asking you to maybe submit me any result or any answer. This is what if you are serious about this, if you are serious about trading, that is why sometimes you blame somebody, you blame a mentor, and you say you paid this amount of money and you were mentored for just a month and some days in a month. Now, I want you to take this serious. Why mentor collects money from students to teach them forex trading is because they want you to take these things serious. They want you to take it serious. Most of these things are not online. Most of these things I'm telling you, your mentor will not tell you. Your mentor will not start from scratch to tell you how forex works. He will only start from somewhere, then blend your mind, then move on. So I want you to take this personal. Go through the video. You go through the video and there are things you do not understand, go to your Google, make research about something, jot them down, take it serious, and give yourself an answer to this question. So that's for the end of this class. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, like, comment, and share. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not also forget to leave a comment. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I will answer. I will reply you. Thank you for watching once again. Peace out.